Hi there, sweet friends. It's Cynthia Nessel from the website createwithcynthia.com, and in today's video I'm showing you how I created this patriotic serving tray. For this project I purchased a wood tray from a craft store. You can also find them on Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description box below. And I started out by painting a base coat onto the tray in the color of beadboard from DIY Paint. It is a chalk clay based paint. I'm using stencils from Essential Stencils, and I'm using a variety of their small patriotic stencils to decorate my wood serving tray. When I'm using stencils, I like to use frog tape to hold the stencil in place. For this project, I'm using a variety of different colors from DIY Paint. I've got Old 57, Hey Sailor, Mermaid Tail, Carnival Red, and Bohemian Blue. I'm using my stencil brushes from Essential Stencils, and I'm just doing a little bit of pouncing and a little bit of swirling to get all of the paint onto my wood serving tray. I want to give a big thank you to all of my YouTube family. I appreciate your support, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. On the Create with Cynthia YouTube channel, you'll find DIY home decor projects with a seasonal flair and vintage furniture makeovers. You can also pop on over to my website at createwithcynthia.com and subscribe. I write 2 to 3 blog posts per week. Essential Stencils has a wide variety of different stencils. They're reusable and can be washed with soap and water after each use. After the stenciling, I thought my tray needed a little bit more color, so I decided to go in on the edges with Bohemian Blue. My final step in the project was to use white wax to seal the tray. I just rubbed on the white wax and then used a soft cloth to wipe off the excess. I'm using white wax by DIY Paint. And here's the final project. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this wood serving tray that I have decided to hang on the wall during this patriotic season. Thanks for watching. I hope I've inspired you to go out there and create something.